Easy recipe bang hanap mo? This is my easy chicken biryani using the Shan Biryani mix. First, marinate natin yung chicken with ginger and garlic. Shan Biryani mix, tansyahin nyo na lang with the amount of chicken that you have. Yogurt with a little bit of hot sauce, salt and black pepper to taste. Sinain ko yung biryani rice sa rice cooker para mas easy. Then, gawa tayo ng pang-topping na crispy fried onions. Pag brown and crispy na, set aside natin for later. In a pan, may 1 tablespoon of oil, then melt some butter. Then, add natin yung marinated chicken, then let it cook completely. Isa na lang yung tomato ko sa ref, kaya hinaluan ko na rin ng tomato paste for more tomato flavor. Let it simmer until the chicken is fully cooked. Then, in a saucepan or any pan na malalim, set natin yung heat sa low, then add some butter para hindi dumikit sa bottom. Assemble the ingredients of your chicken biryani rice in this order. Butter, chicken, cilantro leaves, fried onion, then rice. Then repeat hanggang maubos yung ingredients or hanggang mapuno natin yung pan. Optional naman yung fried onions pero super nagle-level up yung chicken biryani rice with this. And syempre my favorite, lots of cilantro leaves. Alam nyo yung kids ko, nasanay na silang kumain ng mga ganitong dishes. Nasanay na sila sa mga ganitong niluluto ko. Very wide na yung palette nila, kaya gustong-gusto nila kahit yung mga ganitong dishes na maraming spices. Once done, cover natin and let it steam in low heat for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, ang sarap-sarap nitong amuyin kasi fragrant and very flavorful. Don't mix completely kasi ang maganda sa biryani rice, makikita mo yung combination ng white and rice na may sauce. Super sarap ng Shan Biryani mix kaso spicy. If mahina yung tolerance mo sa spice, hinay-hinay lang ng paglagay.